Hi guys, welcome to this class. And today we have a question. It says that a 6 centimeter long wire is cut into 3 pieces. The second piece is 50% longer than the first piece. The third piece is 50% longer than the second piece. How long is the third piece? Alright, so this is basic algebra. We're applying some rules and percentages to each algebra. So let's first represent the 3 pieces with letters. Let's call them X, Y, and Z. Alright? So the first piece is X, the second piece is Y, and the third piece is Z. Now the question says that the second piece is 50% longer than the first piece. That means we can say that Y is X plus 50% of X. Right? And that makes it significantly easier. Alright? Rather than saying 50 over 100 times X and then adding it, you can just do it this way. Okay? And we could also use something we call a multiplier. A multiplier. So if we were to find the multiplier of 50% longer, X is full 100%, yes? So we'll be saying something like 100% plus 50%, which will be equal to 150%. Right? And 150% will be 150 all over 100, which is 1.5. So this would be the multiplier we would apply to get what y is. So this, or we could also say y is equal to 1.5x. This and this will lead us to the same results. All right. So I intentionally chose to apply the multiplier because it makes work easier significantly. All right. Now Z, the third is 50% longer than the second piece. So third piece is y plus 50% of y. Again, it's just 50% longer, so we are going to apply the same multiplier and get something like this. But remember that from this equation, let's call it equation R. So from equation star, you can already say that y is equal to 1.5x. So let's replace y with 1.5 there. So z will be equal to 1.5 into 1.5x. Alright? So we are simply multiplying y, which is 1.5x, by the multiplier, which is 1.5. Why should we have 1.5 as a multiplier again? Is because we have 50% increase, right? A 50% increase means 100% plus 50%, and this gives us 150%, which it converts to decimals, and that gives us a multiplier. Okay? And from there on, you can say z is equal to 2.25x. Remember that recall x plus y plus z is equal to 76 centimeters. Right? And where x is x, obviously, y is 1.5x, and z is 2.5x. So 2.25x is equal to 6 centimeters. Right? And now this gives us 1x plus 1.5x plus 2.25x, which I didn't write correctly. 2.25x. That gives us 4.75. X is equal to 6 centimeters. All right, I will leave that out for now. Therefore, X is equal to, we divide both sides by 4.75, so it's 6 all over 4.75, which is equal to 16. Right? On the question to blast of just by the value of X, which is the first piece, we're looking for the value of Z, it is the fourth piece. So I recall that Z is 2.25X. So we're saying third piece, which is Z, is equal to 2.25 multiplied by 16. That's basically 2 times 16, 32. 1 will be 4 times 16, 4. So that's 36 centiliters. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me in the comment section. I hope to see subsequent classes. Thank you for coming around. Bye.